At the very beginning of life, we redefine the boundaries of rules. As an innovative pioneer in smart poultry farming, EI Farming has dedicated 40 years to the incubation and poultry farming sector. Since the first export of incubators to Tunisia in 1994, we have continuously led technological innovation in the industry by virtue of over 30 years of international market experience and 180 core patents. Specializing in the R&D and manufacturing of intelligent hatching and poultry farming equipment, we are committed to providing global customers with solutions covering the entire process of poultry hatching and farming. Leveraging two R&D and manufacturing bases, and a team of over 160 R&D professionals, we deeply integrate industrialization and digital technologies to innovatively build the Hatching 4.0 Smart Factory digital ecosystem. Through intelligent control and digital interconnection, we achieve full process automation of hatching egg handling and transfer, DOC handling, etc., as well as platform-based operation and maintenance management. This drives a 50% increase in production efficiency and a 70% reduction in labor costs. Currently, EI Farming Hatching Engineering holds a market share of over 85% in China, firmly ranking as the #1 brand. Based on 2 decades of expertise in poultry farming technology, we have built a poultry farming equipment system covering broilers, layers, and breeders. This system encompasses cage rearing, floor night rearing equipment, and supporting facilities such as poultry house climate control, ventilation, and feeding systems. Leveraging core technologies like distributed control, precision feeding, and auto-broiler harvesting, combined with factory management platform and intelligent terminals, we achieve digital monitoring and real-time status awareness throughout the entire process. EI Farming equipment and integrated solutions remain a leader in China's poultry farming industry. EI Farming has established an Iron Triangle overseas marketing service system comprising account managers AR, solution experts SR, and delivery managers FR. Account managers accurately identify customer needs, fully coordinate company resources, and continuously follow up on usage feedback. Solution specialists provide exclusive customized solutions that are both competitive and feasible based on customers' specific application scenarios and technical trends. Field managers offer on-site guidance and training on equipment installation and commissioning to ensure the effective implementation of the solutions. Working in synergy, the 3 roles deliver end-to-end services for overseas customers, spanning from demand translation to value realization. EI Farming products are now exported to more than 70 countries and regions, including Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and South America, having established a widely covered global market layout. Leveraging our advantage in localized overseas service networks, we have established a regular customer visitation mechanism. By combining technical guidance with demand research, we address key needs in production processes with targeted optimization, strengthening our international competitive edge driven by the dual engines of technology implementation plus service responsiveness. Under the synergistic effects of the Belt and Road Initiative, we empower countries along the routes to establish multiple large-scale incubation and poultry farming projects, striving to transform each initiative into a strategic anchor for regional industrial upgrading. Currently, EI incubation equipment annually hatches over 20 billion healthy poultry chicks worldwide, while EI farming equipment supports the production of more than 1.5 billion healthy poultry birds sent to market each year. Through EI farming, we deliver the warmth of Chinese innovation to every customer. In the faint sound of eggs, and through cross-border dialogues between engineers and clients, we witness not only the precision of our equipment, but also the resounding leap of global poultry farming toward an intelligent future. EI farming empowers industry ecosystems with innovative technology, joining hands with global partners to usher in a new era of smart poultry farming.